Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Kola for the newcomers and for the new subscribers. It's been a while. How have you been? Hope you're fine. I'm also fine. I was just running some errands here and there, but I'm back officially with a new video and a very amazing video for you. So stay tuned so you know how to how to lighten up your armpits, how to shave, how to detox your armpits, to remove dead skin from your armpits. Yes, it's a very amazing video, so stay tuned. As you can see, I've been very busy. I've even left out the armpits. They have grown this big. Yes, so we'll start by shaving. So after that, guys, we are going to wet our armpits as we wipe off. Never scrub your body without wetting it, because the scrubber might be too harsh, and also to help the process of scrubbing. So for the scrubbing, we are going to use this fruit. It's a very amazing fruit, a lemon, and baking soda. Baking soda will help to remove the darkening, to remove that dead scales, and also lemon has vitamin C and vitamin A that will help in brightening the dark space, and also will help in detoxing your armpits. So we'll just go and place baking soda, as you can see, like me, like this. Then you squeeze a little bit so that the lemon juice can move. Then you take it like this. Then you scrub it on your armpits just gently. Scrub it like that. And be gentle to your skin. You squeeze it again like this to remove some foam. Then scrub. Leave it there for 5 minutes, and then we are going to wash off. But before we wash off, we are going to do the other side as we have done to this side. The scrubbing. And please be gentle to your skin. Yes, you scrub in circular motion until that dark part disappears. After that, we are going to leave it for 5 minutes, and then we are going to wash off. So for the washing, we are going to use this glove, and it has a little bit of soap. So I'm going to wash as you are looking at it. Always take time with your armpits because they are underneath, so they might trap a lot of germs if you're not careful with washing it. So you just wash carefully, then you change the glove, or you can use another one if you have 2 pairs. This will also help in exfoliating, as in mean scrubbing, removing the dead cells, the dirt, the roron thing, the roron discoloration. So after that, I'm going to wipe off that dirt. Then we go to the next step. So for the next step, we are going to use a lemon, another slice of a lemon, and turmeric powder. Turmeric powder as a antioxidant and also anti-inflammatory, so it will help your armpits, and also it contains ingredients that will help to remove skin discoloration caused by either the roron thing or even the dead skin. Yes. So combined with lemon, as you know, lemon has vitamin C and vitamin A that will help in brightening up the skin. So when they are combined, the two, they are going to do an amazing job. And so, does it work the day one? Yes, it does. But for the best results, you have to do it like every time you have to shave, you have to do this process. So for the skin to continue healing and removing that discoloration, you have to continue with this process every time you are doing your shaving or every time you are doing your waxing. Your armpit needs more than shaving, or even needs more than waxing. So if you are used to doing waxing, that's better. If you are used to shaving, please do it. After that, do the process of scrubbing. After scrubbing, you can use a mild ingredient that will help to detox. The ingredients that you can use to detox is like lemon. You can also use a tomato. You can also use aloe vera, raw aloe vera gel from the plant. Okay, so we are going to continue without wasting much time. I'm going to pour this turmeric powder here and this slice of a lemon, just a little bit like this. So after pouring this turmeric powder here, I'm going to rub it to my skin in circular motion, just like that. Yes. Whatever you do to the right arm, you also do to the left arm. You add more turmeric. Squeeze the lemon juice to mix with the turmeric, and then rub it on your armpits in circular motions. And also remember to be gentle to your skin. Then leave it there for 5 minutes or 15 minutes if you have time for it to work. Then wash off and you'll see amazing results. So after that, as you can see, my armpits are clear. You see, this is a birthmark, so you know to worry saying that as you can see, it has extended to here. That is birthmark. Yes. So after that, moisturize your armpits. Just moisturize your armpits. And for moisturizing, you can use coconut oil. This is coconut oil, pure coconut oil, or you can use whatever is available. Or you can use Vaseline blue, whatever Vaseline you have, so long as it's Vaseline jelly. Yes, I normally use this one before applying roller or even coconut oil. Mostly when after shaving, I normally use coconut oil, and for the other days before I apply any deodorant on my body, I normally use Vaseline. So because we are after shave, we are going to apply coconut oil in circular motions and also massage. So how do you massage? Like this. And by doing this, you know whether you have lumps. There are those people who develop lumps. And also, if you are not massaging your armpits, you will not notice if you have lumps. And also, it will also help in removing the armpit fat. Like me, you can see I'm very fatty. You see? So by doing so, you are going to reduce armpit fat. You are going to identify if you have lumps, and if you don't have, you are also doing a better good job because you are not going to develop any. So after that simple massage, you're going to do it to the other side. Massage, massage, massage. Hey, I was shocked. Let's continue. You massage in circular motions, such like that. I've already told you the benefits of massaging your armpits, and also it will help in moisturizing it well. The moisturizer will get into your skin very well. And yes, thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any question, if you have any comment, if this worked for you, please comment down below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up so we can be recommended by YouTube to as many viewers as possible. Please support me by subscribing, and let's meet in the other video. Bye.